Cindy, I'm just about to try this inverter after changing the motherboard, I mean the main board, and we'll see what happens. Power's on. The solar panels are connected, but like I said, it's nighttime, so right now we're not gonna see any charging, but if it works, it's gonna turn on and it's gonna stay running. It's gonna show the green lights. But if it doesn't work, then we have a problem. So if it works, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep it on right now to make sure that the light goes on and everything is working properly. Then I'm just gonna turn it off, and it's gonna stay connected with the solar panels. And even with the inverter being off, you know it's gonna turn on automatically as soon as we get some sunlight because the solar panels are gonna be connected. But anyway, let's see if it's gonna turn on. And like I said, this one has a new motherboard, and so far it's looking good. All the three lights are there, and let's see what happens. This one is not giving us any error so far, and it sounds like it's working good. This one's working good. So out of the two motherboards that I received, one is not working. We still get an error, but this one's working. This one's working good. So we still need one more motherboard to fix the problem of one of the ones that is not working. But one of the ones that you sent me the motherboard, we still have a code. It did turn on, but we have a code. And that was the previous video. This is gonna be the last one that I was able to finish. I'll share these videos with you. Thank you, Cindy. By the way, I'm not able to show you that it's working properly. Well, it is working properly. You can see this blinking light here. So it didn't show no codes. Okay? So everything's working good.